I'm on a mission to find every bird in the world. So we started our day in Peru with an Andean ritual where we were brushed with the feathers of an Andean condor and told to make a wish.
We're going to be seeing a lot of birds the rest of the trip.
The ritual must have worked because I was actually starting to feel like I was one with nature.
We play Old Town Road.
I know he's captive, but that's an Andean condor. Look at the size of him.
I ran as fast as I could. What is that?
Yeah.
Maybe you're digging!
I want to see!